Baba, I just want to show you two things. The first one,
Don't really
Yeah.
fuck
it
yourself.
is called
Pizza.
no, yeah. But wait,
Pizza.
I'll tell you the full thing. It's called khakra dosa pizza.
But spelled incorrectly.
Yes, and the second thing, Baba,
What the fuck is it? What does it taste of?
it's dosa it's a
Taste.
crispy dosa on which they've put pizza
Oregano.
chat masala. I'm not even kidding. That's the whole thing
Hey, by the way, pizza.
So
chaat
why they
masala
calling it
is good,
khakra if it's
great.
dosa?
because it's
Pizza
crispy
season.
like a khakra. So they're selling it as a yeah. That's what it is. That's literally what it is. And Baba, the piece de resistance, cranberry chaat.
कौतुक तू क्या कर रहा है आजकल?
Bro,
थोड़ा
तेरे को
What the fuck
I
is cranberry
genuinely want to
chaat?
I want to send you to a gastroenterologist just to see what the fuck is inside your intestines, dude. What the fuck is it like
The
is it
vaccine has come from where? Where do you think it's come from, Baba?
I have a real question for you. Is it dehydrated cranberries?
No, it's dead.
No, it's
cranberries.
given up on life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they put chat masala inside it, dude. It is, by the way, phenomenal combination. Phenomenal. It's amazing.
The day cranberry पे से चाट मसाला गिरा ना, cranberry ने बोला fuck off, अभी मैं नहीं हूँ in existence, मैं कुछ और हूँ, अभी तू खा. Fuck.
I have a feeling Baba's going to delete this podcast.
This podcast is going to get dehydrated.
Oh God, yeah, Kautuk, you've heard my set when I was taking you through it. This is the problem. You are the center part of the
Disgusting, but
joke.
कौतुक. Seriously.
Oh God.
I mean, till Jawar Puffs it was great. लेकिन cranberry
Yeah, ये
चाट
ज़्यादा हो रहा है.
और dosa pizza,
even the vegan,
which is
even
actually
the vegan
khakra.
even the vegan is mocking you, dude. Kautuk, come on, you've reached a level.
Pizza.
Hey, this is 100% vegan. I don't know about the khakra. I don't know which animal they've killed. And the hide they've made into
It's
that.
actually it's a roadkill. It's a roadkill that's been left out.
Roadkill.
And the sun has hardened it. And they're like, ये डोसा ऐसे दिखता है ना, हाँ मेरे बेच दे पब्लिक खाएगा. कौन खाएगा ये? मैं जानता हूँ किसी को. किसको? कौतुक. ये सब ऐसे चूतिया तेरे लिए बनाते कौतुक. पहला तू ही
Dude,
जाके
Kautuk, I just want to quickly question you one thing. Would you eat a chocolate wonton?
Yes. And Baba, I've taken a photo.
Why is that even a question?
Yeah, I took a
Yeah,
photo
you would eat.
today.
Have eaten a
No,
chocolate
we wouldn't.
dosa.
Why is that even a question to Kautuk?
I just want to see कितना गिरेगा ये आदमी.
तूने टॉपिक
नहीं,
निकाला
he'll
है
try
ना?
everything.
ये देख, आज मैंने फोटो लिया तेरे को भेजने के लिए.
ये?
चॉकलेट फज मोमो.
क्या तूने ऑर्डर किया है?
नहीं. Where I got the khakra dosa pizza from, they had this in the fridge.
Of course
Of
they
course
did.
they did. Of course they did. Eeks. मेरा
Oh God.
मेरे को ये देख के इंडाइजेशन हो गया. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show we take randomly shocking we the fast fact trivia and opposite stories and we talk about it. And today's episode is what is the hot topic lately? Royal families.
Yes.
Not particularly the British royal family, but royal family
Yeah.
in general. क्योंकि अपने पास इंडिया में भी रॉयल फैमिली है काफी सारा.
बहुत ज्यादा.
तो हाँ, उन्होंने देखा by the way
I wouldn't
Meghan.
associate. हाँ, the
Harry interview
adjective
देखा?
hot. हाँ, देखा.
और
It was
किधर देखा तुम लोग?
quite explosive.
तुम लोग ने
एक मिनट,
voluntarily
किधर
देखा
देखा?
कि तुम्हें दिखाया गया किसी
Yeah, I'm married. I
दिखाया
cannot
गया.
see it.
I have a quick question. Where did you all see it?
मैंने उबर में बैठ के देखा.
I mean,
On what platform?
मैं बेड पे on my
Phone
TV.
It's
Yeah.
not there, dude.
Baba,
It's there on my TV.
There's these things called the internets, which
Yeah.
you can get things that you can't available from other platforms.
you know,
That can't available.
I opened a site and then I said, I am the captain now. And then I saw it.
Wow.
If you get the reference.
Hey, Kautuk.
Nice.
Ah.
किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा क्या बोला.
So, also, by the way,
Kautuk by the bay.
in honor of this episode,
Oh.
एक मिनट ये हैप्पी है ना? ये हैप्पी है ना?
Can I actually guess what it is? It is ginger water with cranberry juice or some shit that you put in it.
no, yeah, it's
नहीं वाइन पी रहा होगा वो.
yeah, the cheapest wine I could find.
सूला.
It's above port wine, 1000. but it's
एक
below.
minute, port wine is banging. क्या बोल
But
रहे
it
हैं तू?
depends on. Are he
Port
won't
wine
get the
7
right
or
port
11?
wine.
Yeah,
He
Seven
won't
or
even
11.
order. He won't even get the right port wine, dude.
no, I used to have port wine 1000 in college, and it used to be
Hayward's
sugar syrup.
1000.
I used to have Hayward 5000 and I used to hit a dart without
Dart.
seeing it.
And then another person will come and throw 2 darts and say, Hayward's
Two darts,
10,000.
2000.
But उन लोगों
नहीं,
का क्या
2000 or
सो-
5000.
10,000, 10,000.
But what a great template, right? जैसे उन लोगों को नया आता है, एक ही करके आदमी आके सब डार्ट फेंकते जा रहे हैं और वो तेरा हेवर्ड्स का स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. हेवर्ड्स 28,000 उस पे तो वो सीधा डार्ट बोर्ड फेंक रहा है.
Guys, how is this linked to royal families?
हाँ, coming back to Royal
Because
family.
Prince Charles is a big fan of Hayward's 10,000.
Yeah.
Not many
He's
people know.
really
This is a
not.
fact. This
not
is,
other.
this is Hayward5000.com पे लिखा हुआ है.
I wish
Hayward-
Adar, I wish you had said the queen was a fan, because the image is so beautiful. Like the queen is just banging down a bottle and going like, "Chal Harry, nikal."
No, I'm throwing darts, bro.
Yeah.
No, but you know, like anyway, we talk about the royal family currently. Like, this dates back to say like earlier 18th century, right? When in सबकी great grandmother, जो है Queen Victoria. So it's essentially Queen Victoria and Albert who sort of devised a plan, because Europe was going through years of like wars, right? You had the Prussian War, you had the Napoleonic Wars. So their idea was कि अगर अपन अपने public फैला देंगे हर जगह, right, to various monarchs across Europe, then we can eventually come towards building a more stabilized, war-free Europe, so to speak. And that was
I
their
think
grand plan.
It was called what? It was called.
It was
What
called "Hum
democracy?
Aapke Hain Kaun."
No, it was called. It was called some like marital democracy or like regal democracy or something like that. Basically,
Yeah.
familially spreading your seeds and your like just
Everywhere.
Family.
So
though.
like all, and then you guarantee certain allegiances, right? Like you know that in time of need they'll come, and also you're not going to sit fighting
Correct.
your brothers or Durka. So across the board, bro, Spain, Sweden, Germany, mainly Germany, because they wanted like the Prussian monarchies to eventually lead towards a unified Germany. And Germany would make a great ally for the British, which is why that was their main target. तो उधर बहुत सारे उनके public फैले हुए हैं.
Dude, can you imagine if democracy hadn't happened, right, and the monarchy still existed, then the EU would be a family function.
Yeah.
You know, where you would be like, "Can you please lower the taxes, Fufaji?"
But Fufaji is dancing. अरे Fufaji को-
But if you had to keep today's reality alive, they would have split because
They have to become a nuclear family,
Yeah.
and by nuclear we mean war heads.
No, but the same
Yeah.
thing happened here also, right? Their grand plan of getting a unified Europe never happened, because when Queen Victoria died, खत्म हो गया scene. फिर Kaiser Wilhelm और ये लोग सब एक दूसरे से झगड़ने
वो
लगे.
तो Kaiser
Eventually.
Wilhelm तो World War One.
Yeah, exactly.
Kasa Kaiser Wilhelm.
I was watching, for some reason, I felt like watching the Queen after watching that Oprah interview. And there's Kautuk's point of the nuclear war. Like the opening dialogue between her and the Prime Minister then is
The Crown,
have
you
they
mean,
taught
right?
you? No, the Queen.
Oh,
Have you not seen this? You have to see this movie.
Meryl Streep वाला.
अच्छा, हाँ, बता.
नहीं, Meryl Streep नहीं है. English Meryl Streep. Helen Mirren.
Whoa, nice, hilarious.
English Meryl Streep.
Apologies. हाँ.
But the first thing she tells the Prime Minister is Tony Blair is that have they taught you how to start the nuclear war yet? That's her first statement to him when he comes to become the Prime Minister.
But dude, this thing that happened, the Harry Meghan Oprah thing, like the main point that everyone was bringing up was the next few seasons of The Crown are going to be amazing.
What season of Crown is this interview coming in? But have you guys watched The Crown?
I love it.
नहीं, मैंने उतना नहीं देखा.
I love it.
मैंने 2 सीजन देखा फिर पक गया, because इतने बाकी सब चीजें देख ली तो you already know कि क्या है अभी.
No,
Right, like
but
the
it's
earlier
told
ones you
so
don't know.
well, dude. Like the
And
last
of
season
course
of
it
The
is.
Crown. No, like the last season of The Crown, the way they did like Mountbatten's death and stuff like that, it's not a surprise or a spoiler. Mountbatten died, was killed. If you didn't know this, then it's really not my fault.
क्यों यार? Spoiler क्यों दे रहा हो?
Fuck,
So-
what about Rana Pratap?
So the way they did
I don't know,
like
बावा इतना बात क्यों कर रहा है about The Crown? क्यों Sorkin ने सेट पे जाके फादा था क्या उसके एक दिन?
नहीं, because Rani तो अर्धी आपरी. I'm half Parsi, no.
That's it.
Oh.
Oh,
So no, the thing is like you should watch The Crown. It's really well told. It's so beautifully written. It's so beautifully crafted, constructed. Even like cinematically, it's outstanding.
And if you're not into dramas, but you still want to watch about the royal families and you know pretty much like the big key points of every member, watch The Windsors, which is basically a spoof on the royal family. And it's fucking hilarious.
Dude, you know something? The one thing that I like, the one thought I couldn't get out of my head when I was seeing the that Oprah interview, right, was the fact that this is what fairy tales end up looking like. This is the version of the fairy
Yeah.
tale they don't tell you. You know, girl marries into royalty and then is just abused constantly until they have to separate, go away, give an interview to Oprah. Right? That's the fucking end of a fairy tale. That's what happens.
Kautuk, sorry, I'm just going back to Varun's point on one thing, which is if you want to watch another funny show but a genius show about like royalty and stuff, Blackadder, dude.
Blackadder.
Oh,
Yeah.
And if you
Blackadder
can-
was next
And
level.
if you can read the Blackadder, it is just too good, dude. It's too good. It's genuinely one of the finest pieces of writing. And I'm also going to recommend another book if you like alternate history, which is slightly funny or whatever.
Man in the no, okay.
No,
Hey,
no,
वो तो
not-
show
not-
है.
वो तो show
वो
है,
तो
but
show
it's
है.
not about royalty. I'm talking about My Lady Jane. So if you can,
Who's it by?
it's hilarious. Give me a second. I'll go and check. But I'll tell you, My Lady Jane, and then there's also another version of My Lady Jane, which is the sequel. My Lady Jane is by Cynthia Hand. No. Wait, 1 minute. That's
No.
not a funny book.
Brody
That's not
Ashton,
funny.
Cynthia Hand, and Joe.
Sorry.
It's three
That's-
authors.
No, wait. That's not the funny one. The funny one
Oh
that
my
I
God.
want you to read is yeah, dude. It's My Lady Jane only. Correct. It's that one only.
Hmm.
Yeah, My Lady Jane. Read it. It's very funny. And it's like it superb. Anyway, carry on. Carry on about whatever else you all were talking about.
Nah, I've forgotten what we were talking about because Mary Jane, actually old Mary Jane, and then
New
but
Mary
it's
Jane.
actually
New
not.
Mary Jane.
No, which is the funny
Actually,
one?
actually, it's written by
Iska
Cynthia
hand,
Hand. Kautuk, you were talking about the Harry Meghan interview.
So one was.
But
one
what
was
did
that-
what did you guys think of the interview? Like, were you shocked by any of the claims?
I was shocked, like they were making statements so aram se na, like something like bachche ka color, and it was just so like calmly made. I've never seen people give out such like
Well, they are the royal family that's repressed.
हाँ
the
नहीं, but
British.
वो तहलका वाला news, but being given in such a calm manner is something that I am not used to as a viewer anymore. Without something
Yeah, that's
happening.
fair. Yeah.
Such very groundbreaking shit happening.
Yeah.
Nothing at the bottom. Baby color discuss हो रहा है. Baby color. वो सब नहीं हो रहा था. I was like really like, is this?
You thought
news?
this was
This is
fake news.
really horrible. Yeah,
This is drama.
the most happened was Oprah going, what? That is
No,
it.
but all of Oprah's expressions
What?
have become gifs now.
Memes.
Dude,
हाँ.
but-
Hari bhar ke.
But it's so true. Like if Arnab had interviewed them, fuck, क्या मजा आता, dude. क्या मजा आता.
Or if Akshay Kumar had interviewed them.
Akshay
Megan, you like mangoes, Megan? You like mangoes? I don't know
मुर्गियों के साथ वो मुर्गियों के
is this
साथ
guy's-
बैठा है मुर्गियों के साथ बैठ के बोले आई लाइक अंडा दीज आर अंडा ये अंडा ब्राउन है अंडा व्हाइट है ये ब्राउन मैडम आपका अंडा गिर गया
But you know something, like the you're absolutely fucking spot on. The way Oprah interviews people, right? Like they just feel compelled to talk. Just
Yeah.
tell more things, right? I wish that Oprah had also done other breakups and other things like this. Like remember when Vivek Oberoi did that press conference against Salman Khan in 2003? Remember that? That should have been done by Oprah. That'd be fucking
Oprah.
amazing.
But you know what I found? Nikita just told me yesterday, talking about Oprah, that so there was this girl, okay? She spent her whole life in foster homes, right? Mother gave her up or whatever. And she spent her whole life trying to find out who her birth mother is. But they're all contracts are signed, you can't say this, you can't say that, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, she managed to finally trace the person down. And the hospital's like, but she doesn't want to meet you. So she knows
Oh.
the name, but she said she doesn't want to meet you. So this chick is just like, fuck, I don't know how. You know how she found? So she was watching Oprah, and on Oprah was a woman, right, who spoke about how she had to, how two of her kids passed away, and how she had to give one daughter up. This girl who's trying to find a mother, even her siblings passed away. Even her mother had given her up.
Oh, and she was like, "What are the odds?"
Who, yeah, but who is, and even the names were the same. The names of the siblings and all were the same. You know who the mother was on Oprah's show? That was
Meghan.
Oprah's mom. So Oprah's stepsister found out that she's Oprah's sister while watching Oprah.
Dude,
Wow.
fuck.
And my mind was blown. I said, fuck, ye kabhi hua? She's like, 10 saal ho gaye. I was like, what? How is this not like bigger news?
If
That's the
I
thing
had
about-
found that out, it would be such a
That's-
good day, right? Because A, you found family, B, you found money. Because Oprah is loaded, meaning your life is sorted, dude.
Oprah is technically royalty, so
Yeah. Okay, by the way, one other cool thing about that interview was that Meghan referred to the royal family as the institution. Okay.
but you know the
which-
thing is, we are only looking
That's
at it
what she meant to say, right? You have to separate the royal family from the institution. There's two separate
But you can't,
entities.
because the brand of the royal family in itself is valued as so much money. A lot of their, so they get money via three ways, right? One is inheritance, कोई किसके दादा ने दिया, दादा ने दिया, whatever, that you get to keep as your own. But the other two,
Correct.
which is the duchies and the sovereign grant, no, it's actually called that.
No, I'm
So
just
these
like,
are- these are like
Varun
the
says
Dutchies.
stuff, he just says stuff like munchies, munchak, like it just sounds like something
अरे
very
duchies,
अरे Dutchies देना जरा.
but we say that, अरे देना duchies करते हैं, which means half
Split. हाँ.
split.
it actually okay, sure.
So they get money based on their title from the duchies and the sovereign grant.
Yeah.
Literally that. So if you were to get out of the royal family, you lose that. You don't get that anymore. And
Yeah.
royal families basically historically they don't work anything out. They don't do any other work outside their duties. You know what I mean? Which is charity, vanity, ये सब करेगा. They're not allowed to go out and start working in a bank or
No, so every time somebody
buying
has done
Netflix
that,
deals. You're not allowed to do that.
no, so every time someone has done that, they've been severely ousted by the institution, because the biggest concern has always been that, you know, you can't demean the coat of arms, you can't demean the Windsor name, you know, and that's sort of where it came from. But we're also just looking at Meghan, right? I mean, even before Meghan, if you look at Diana,
Yeah,
she
Diana.
was pretty, yeah, she was pretty controversial in almost every way, right? Like she was controversial in terms of, like, if you remember the famous interview which sort of sparked the actual
The 60
separation or
minutes.
the
What
divorce,
she did now.
where she said there were three of us in the marriage,
Yeah.
and there were always three of us in the marriage, and it
Oh.
was,
Yeah.
and therefore it became, and then it was obviously too crowded, right?
Correct.
And
And this was basically you're saying after, right? But even in her early life, not early life, but early marriage time,
Marriage time,
she
yeah.
was doing a lot of things that royals traditionally would not do.
yeah, yeah.
Like, you know, when
And-
she was out on like charity tours in African countries. So actually going and holding
Yeah,
somebody,
so
giving them a
that's
hug,
the,
helping
that's
with
the
their
really
whatever.
that's the really interesting thing. Like if you watch The Crown, especially the last season, which is the Diana season, right? You there's also a documentary called Being Diana or Diana.
Diana only, it's called Diana.
So there's that, and there's a lot of truisms that, so a lot of perspective that you end up getting from the other side, which is that Diana herself liked the fame, she liked the attention, she sort of did. I mean, things that happened to her
But
were horrible.
it worked both ways.
Both
right?
ways, correct,
Because
exactly.
she was a very good user of the paparazzi. She knew that to further her narrative and what she wanted to put out, she
Put
needed
out,
them.
yeah,
And
exactly.
it became this weird frenzy with 24-hour news and this and that, where they were both almost like had a symbiotic relationship. कि चलते जा रहा है. Like her early time, she needed them more. But then
Yeah.
when she was at her worst, they wouldn't stop. And they wouldn't be like, "ठीक है, let's give her space." Balls.
Dude, I
Paise
genuinely
hoga dekha.
I feel like Diana was one of the best PR machines for the royal family. In the sense that, like, hey, here was a family who had enslaved half the world. Okay, countries had literally got freedom fighters, fighting for years to get these fuckers out of your country, right? Clearly, they were at a low point in their image. And then Diana comes around and people just fell in love with this story all over again, right?
Yeah.
She's a normalish person married into this.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And dude, this is pre-internet era.
Yeah.
Pre-internet
What a
era,
frenzy.
have that sort of mass hysteria surrounding you, because literally there was no country on this planet that she wouldn't go to and just have like millions, not millions, but whatever, tens of thousands of people just throng to see her.
No, it's
There's no
absolutely true.
Facebook, no Instagram, nothing.
I'm
No,
surprised.
she was a complete, like, she was, it had all the ingredients, right? Like, it had the fairy tale story, it had drama, it had bulimia, it had like mental health, it had gossipy, it had pretty much all the check
Bhawa,
boxes for a
But the
great
thing
story.
was, like, I was rewatching the interview with Monica Lewinsky and John Oliver. So this was again pre-internet era. So, like, one thing was like being famous at that point of time, when the media turns on you, they really turn on you, and you never get to present
Put
your
your side.
narrative at all. And she's like, I would have been better off, because John Oliver was like, "Us time it was so bad for you. Imagine if it had happened now, the amount of trolling you would have had would have been worse." She says, "No. Now I might have had 5,000 people who sent me messages agreeing with me, and that would have been nice for me. One message
That's
of
true.
somebody being with me would have been helpful."
Yeah.
I
So,
feel like
you know.
with Diana's story, it's like when Baba was saying the whole thing, right? And Baba, I think you'll understand this. Like, I feel like I don't know if it's already made, but they should fully make a Broadway style, sort of like a musical out of it, because it's a classic fucking story, right? With all the elements and like a full.
West End play.
No,
It's
while
It's like
and while-
Hamilton. It's
Yeah.
like
nicely done.
while Varun was talking about like the sovereign grant and the duchies, like I know.
Okay, just to explain, duchies are ancestral properties.
No.
Okay.
जिसमें सब
no,
like,
no, no.
like
सब
duchies
लोग
of
बैचलर पार्टी के
Cornwall.
टाइम में से हाफ
ठीक है?
हाफ अपना
और
1:10
वो उन लोग दे दिए पब्लिक को
नहीं,
यूज
नहीं।
करने के लिए, और उससे उनको मिल रहा है पैसे.
That's
वरुण,
not what it is.
सच बता डचीज है बमाई लोग जो पैसा
हाँ.
So I'm saying that like a lot of people that I know in the United Kingdom aren't fans of the sovereign grant. They aren't fans of because it gets deducted from like
It's
your annual
taxpayer
paycheck.
money.
Yeah. And it's a very small amount in the scheme of your own taxation or whatever it is, but it's still quite a lot, right? It's still something that you may not
Baba-
want to do or may not want to
Baba,
give, right?
if I am giving any money to any family that's not my own, it is enough money.
Yeah.
नहीं, but
Yeah.
देखो मालूम भी है ना कि उन लोगों को पैसा क्यों जा रहा है. तो one of the Georges, right? One of the
One
King
of the
Georges.
Georges.
18, 19, 25, 35. King George the
George the
35th.
Fourth, George
ना
the
बोल रही थी,
Eighth.
और कोई नाम नहीं है. George,
This is
Tom.
no imagining. महेश
Chris.
कुछ अलग अलग नाम
Mark.
रखो ना.
इसका नाम क्या होगा? George.
गणपत.
लेकिन वो
King-
पहले वाले का
King
भी नाम
Ganpat would have
George
been
है.
nice.
Yeah.
इसके
I would
पीछे एक
like a
नंबर
King
डाल दे.
Ganpat.
No, it's like George, Thomas, George.
हाँ.
It should have just been George, then 2, 3, 4, 5. तुम ना George भी क्यों बोल रहे? Just call them numerically. Anyway, so one of the Georges, right, was full बेवड़ा. उसने financial पूरा वाट लगा के रख दी थी. So they got into an agreement with the government, which is, I will give you control and power of the duchies. You have to keep giving me paisa. So it's almost like मैं तुम्हें को stipend दे इतना, which is billions of pounds, और ये duchies तू अपने पास रख. This is early 18th 19th century. तो तब सबसे लेके अभी तक the government controls the land, but there's money is given to the royal family.
Yeah, but it's
Which-
also extremely interesting in the way the constitution also is framed, right? I was reading about this, and I don't know how far it's true or not. It does seem true, but please, I mean, y'all can correct me because I didn't fact check on it. But England apparently does not have a written constitution because
दूसरे को बोल रहे.
no,
हम लोग ने
because
किससे छापा फिर?
no.
We've taken the English
No, we've
constitution.
taken
to a great
no,
not
yeah.
taken the English constitution.
बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर
We've
ने किया.
taken the
American
English form of government. We've not taken the English constitution.
Yeah, I think
The-
Baba's right. They don't
So
have a
there is no written
constitution.
English constitution because the constitution has to start with "we the people," The problem is the minute you do that, it encompasses everybody within the unification of what is constituted as the territory or the constitution of that country. The problem is the royal family has to be beyond reproach, and so therefore
Can't
you
have.
don't you
It's
can't
you,
have,
the people.
so therefore
Have to
even
do
the
this.
British government
You.
therefore the British government is also formed in the monarch's name. It's formed in Her Majesty's name, and therefore
James
I
Bond
mean,
भी तो है ना in His Majesty's service.
yeah.
In
Or
Her
His
Majesty's
Majesty's
service.
secret service.
What
but
did I say?
His.
Oh shit.
But it's
His
okay. That
Majesty's.
that changes depending on.
मतलब depends ना.
Yeah.
अभी जब
I mean,
चार
Oh,
हजार
really?
हो
Has
गए.
it changed? Has it?
It
That's
has.
true. Actually, the Queen has just
Not for a long
been
time.
around, man.
50 years. Over 50 years.
Yeah,
What?
Queen
Way
Victoria
more,
was
dude.
63.
Way more,
Yeah.
dude.
Dude,
More than
एक
50 years. नहीं, ruling 50 more than that. हाँ.
एक meme आया
Way
था
more.
in that where Harry is telling Oprah, he's like, and then the Queen looked at my son and she said, "I will outlive you too." Sorry. हाँ, चल. तो
अच्छा,
by the
मेरे को
way,
एक है. Okay, guess what is the personal wealth of the Queen? Who's the richest member of the royal family?
J.K. Rowling से कम है.
दादी के पास कितने पैसे हैं बताओ.
I'm gonna say 4 billion.
No, dude. No. Are you
80
mad?
billion.
Abe, you know the
Billion-
thing is, the
billion
thing with the
में
royal families, they look way more richer than they
Then they
actually are.
actually are.
Billions में
yeah.
तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. They're not in billions. Nowhere
Also,
close.
we
to
do
billions.
realize that there are only some 36 billionaires in the world, right? And
Yeah,
if
so
there
the
was
Queen can be one of them.
So
No,
the
she's
answer
not.
to that question is 480 million
million.
pounds,
Wow.
which
It's a
is still a lot of money.
बहुत काफी
But-
पैसे है.
हाँ, but Adani से कम.
एक अडानी से
No, but
अडानी के
420
2020 अर्निंग से कम. 2021
No,
earnings.
just to put it in context, 428 million pounds is really not a lot of money. 428 million pounds
बाबा,
is
मैं
less
अगर
than
मैं उसको
what?
फिक्स डिपॉजिट में डालूंगा ना, मेरा काफी निकल जाएगा काम.
नहीं, I'm saying 428 million pounds is
480 million pounds सिर्फ
that is
Queen
less
का है.
than
सिर्फ
yeah,
Queen
yeah.
का है.
Correct, but that's less than Lionel Messi, no? I'm saying like just look at it in context of things
अबे,
that
अगर क्वीन भी फुटबॉल खेलती थी शायद उसका
I would pay her more. I would pay her more. वो साली वो टाइम वेस्ट कर रही है, डार्ट्स वार्ट्स मार रही है.
No, but the Queen-
Football
but the
खेलना
Bro,
Queen
चाहिए.
she's a hard chick. There's that video I saw of her
she's an
driving a
equestrian
Range
dude.
Rover.
Yeah,
Okay.
but she's also an
After that,
equestrian dude.
Shooting.
En route to whatever Lancaster Castle or whatever. Either one of
Wow,
the many
equestrian.
million duchies that she has.
Baba,
But have you
equestrian
noticed
is-
all the photos of the
She's a
Queen
horse
driving are
rider,
always are angry whenever she is behind the wheel of the Range Rover. Always this.
Bro, and somebody's made an edit where the paps are outside. She comes in driving the Range Rover. आके slow down करते विंडो नीचे होता है और वो देखती है और उधर म्यूजिक बज रहा है. कुछ पूरा रैप म्यूजिक. Police.
But to be honest, if one person can genuinely listen to "fuck the police" and believe it, it's the Queen.
Yeah.
Because if police comes and she rolls down window, like "fuck the police" and drive away.
So no, she doesn't even require a passport. By the way, the Queen
course she
doesn't
doesn't.
require a passport because all the UK passports are issued in her name.
Yeah, Baba,
So
but that's
she
what I'm trying to
doesn't
tell you.
require a
There's no
passport to
constitution, so of course she has no passport, na?
अबे क्योंकि
अबे
उसको
उसका कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन और पासपोर्ट से क्या करते हैं?
अरे कनेक्शन ये है कि तेरे को हेड ऑफ गवर्नमेंट का अरे हेड ऑफ शी इज द
हाँ,
हेड
so
ऑफ द
she is,
गवर्नमेंट
yeah. So,
शी
हाँ,
इज द
correct.
कंट्री
हाँ, correct.
मेरे को जानना है कि कभी जा रही है क्वीन इकोनॉमिक क्लास में
Yeah.
बैठ के कि मैडम दिखाओ आई डोंट हैव पासपोर्ट डालो अंदर
नहीं,
एयरपोर्ट सिक्योरिटी अरे मैं
Passport
queen-
कुठे आहे?
मैं क्वीन
तुमचा पासपोर्ट कुठे आहे मॅडम?
ये क्वीन मी मेरे को नहीं बोलने का पासपोर्ट आई एम द क्वीन मैडम पिक्चर देखा मैंने
मैं भी
अच्छा
किंग है
था
मैडम, मैं भी किंग है.
Dude, एक सेकंड, बॉम्बे एयरपोर्ट पे उसका PCR टेस्ट हो रहा है जिधर वो उसके नाक में घुसा रहे हैं, स्वैब कर रहे हैं.
अरे ये भाई क्या बोल बता रही है मसली.
I am the queen, damn it.
अरे आई नो इंग्लिश
सो फिर क्वीन बाहर निकल के फिर फाइनली ड्यूटी फ्री में शॉपिंग कर रहा है.
नहीं, क्वीन बाहर निकलेगा तो उसको टैक्सी मांग रहे हैं सब लोग. मैम टैक्सी, मैडम टैक्सी चाहिए क्या? That is what is that.
Oh, by the way,
Guys, what are you doing,
speaking of royalty and money, okay, I found a list of top 10 poorest monarchs.
Oh, I thought you were going to start with richest, and I was going to
No.
say
Oh,
Sultan of
dude,
Brunei.
India में तो होंगे. India में
No,
बहुत
no, no.
गरीब है.
The poorest monarch in the world
Can I
is
guess?
from. Ha, chal guess.
Can I guess?
Brussels,
No.
Yeah, close.
नहीं.
Belgium.
No,
Yeah.
no, it won't be.
Yeah, it's Belgium.
East European.
Belgium.
हाँ,
He's right,
East
he's right.
European.
I'm right.
Bro.
Fuck.
Won't be
It's Belgium.
Brussels.
Suck it, bitches.
It's Belgium. So it's King Philip, the 59-year-old monarch. He has a fortune estimated at 12.4 million euros. Okay,
Yes.
and you should see the photograph they've put. Okay, in this photograph, it's the king and the queen, and they're standing, with that fuck all shitty sash that like girls wear for bachelor parties. Like mistaken. ऐसे बस खड़े चित्ते जैसे.
Dude, ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. 12 million ज़्यादा है because
कौन है
I
ये?
actually met a
King क्या?
King Philip
Philip.
from Belgium.
Bro,
King
एक तो
Philip,
ये सब
Belgium.
किंग के नाम चार ही नाम घुमाते जा रहे हैं. फिलिप
Philip,
घूमते रहता है,
Arthur,
एडवर्ड घूमते रहता है, जॉर्ज घूमते
Charles.
रहता है.
Okay, I'm just going to quickly run through the top 10. Okay, so the last one is Philip. Then the next guy who's little richer than him is from Spain. He's also King Felipe, the sixth. Then is from Norway, King Harald, the fifth. Then Denmark, Queen Margaret, the second. Then Sweden, King Carl.
Gustav.
काल में
Yeah,
हम
Carl
तुम
Gustav.
करे
Sorry,
धमाल.
dude. Carl Gustav is Nobel Prize. What?
Yeah, but he's also
He's also a poor monarch.
Yeah.
His full name is King Carl 16 Gustav. He's got 62 million. Then King William Alexander from Netherlands. Great Britain is next. Then is Monaco. King
The
Albert.
biscuit?
How is Albert from Monaco?
50-50.
How is Monaco का? Dude,
क्यों नहीं?
Monaco का
Bro,
तो-
हर जगह तू सब
अरे
पकड़.
but
ग्रीस,
the
रोमानिया.
monarch versus
No, no,
a
I'm saying
place
why
that is
the-
democratic.
Guys, that's not it. I'm saying why is the king of Monaco not wealthy? Because Monaco's tax-paying, it taxes very high. There's a huge tourism industry there, etc., etc. So just I didn't make sense.
No, but he
Bawa.
is the least poorest.
No, also Bawa, he is in Monaco, meaning he's not being taxed ever. I don't think
Yeah.
Correct.
income
He's not
tax
being- yeah,
are going like,
obviously.
sir, आपको GST भरना है आपके
Correct.
account पे.
I understand.
Hmm.
Yeah. But I'm
is,
saying
but
no.
they-
I'm saying he therefore should be making more money because
got-
the income coming in is a lot from Monaco.
No,
Or
but
sometimes you
depends
just
na,
want
how
to chill
much,
and
how
not
much of the
put in an
money the
effort.
government is allocating to the royalty, no?
No, in
Like-
Monaco the rule is different.
But
Yeah,
he's
Monaco.
got
कहते हो,
listen,
unless you drive an F1 car, you are not allowed to be royal.
he's got 887 million. I think it's
Yeah.
fine.
Okay. So then he's fine.
काफी है.
887
Queen से
million
ज्यादा है.
euros, bro. क्या बोल रहा है?
तो
कितना
क्वीन
पैसा
से
है?
ज्यादा हुआ ना.
Yeah, it
He's
is.
richer
Queen से
than
तो
the
ज्यादा
queen.
है, but to answer Baba's question, he's the
Yeah.
least
on
I
the
got
list.
it now.
poorest.
Yeah.
Yeah. No,
And,
he's not the
uh,
least poorest. The richest is the Sultan of Brunei. He's
Yeah,
really
least
up
poorest
there.
on this
उसका
list.
भी सल्टन ऑफ ब्रुनाई का बेटा तो कोई
Football
club
में.
ईपीएल टीम में खेल
Oh, sorry,
रहा है.
sorry. Let me just give you a correction. This is poorest monarchs of Europe. So
Yeah, India में dude मैं मिला उतने गरीब लोग से.
हाँ.
मैं met a princess.
बता
मैं
पर्सनल स्टोरी.
राजस्थान में
डीएन नगर में मिला.
मैं राजस्थान में मैं बैठ के वहां पे चिकन टिक्का खा रहा हूँ at some restaurant and we were living in this haveli because we were shooting. It was some I won't name the haveli, but we are living in this haveli and मैं वहां पे बैठ के रेस्टोरेंट में खा रहा हूँ. मेरे डायरेक्टर आके there's a lady comes and sits next to us on the table and बोला hello अच्छे से courtesy whatever and then she says that this is princess so and so. मैं बोला, अच्छा so this haveli is hers. So basically princess अभी Airbnb चला रही है.
But वो
That is
बहुत
what that level is.
यूके में भी कर रहे हैं. When you give out Balmoral Castle and all of that, not Balmoral, वो
हाँ.
तो इनका है, but you have all these others.
Slane.
You're making money out of renting it.
लेकिन उसके कैसल के बाहर एक आदमी नाशपाती और एप्पल नहीं बेच रहा है ना. That's the difference.
ऐसे मैं भी मिला
गेट के बाहर एक आदमी चिल्ला रहा है लोग केला ले
राजस्थान में
केला.
बहुत है वैसे.
राजस्थान में I think the most this
In fact,
very
the festival we
public.
go to, Magnetic Fields, it's also
Yeah.
at Alsisar Mahal, and it's one of the partners.
Which
is
you're
the guy
not
who-
going to this year because you gave away your passes.
Yes, I gave it away because
No, but
have a shoot.
but that guy actually loses money every time Magnetic Field happens. I think. So that guy is actually enjoying it.
Because magnetic fields pull money towards them.
But hilarious. बाबा क्या बात है पन मारा एक बार.
और एक ब्लश भी दे दिया इस एपिसोड का ब्लश दे दिया.
So no, but if you were a monarch today, right, you would be doing this only for your awam, right? You would be like, चल EDM का एक फेस्टिवल हो जाए.
Yeah,
लेकिन
wow.
एक्चुअली कर रहे हैं
वही
पब्लिक.
तो मैं बोल रहा
Yeah.
हूँ. Like that's what royalty would look like today. 100%. This is it.
We were doing a Holi ka celebration चल रहा था, and this is again in Jaisalmer or somewhere. And so this one of the guys, one of the Nawabs or something, called the people into his castle. तो एक एरिया है जहाँ पे डेजिग्नेटेड सब लोग होली खेलेंगे और वो आता है and this guy weighs a ton. Okay, they मतलब अपने कुर्सी से हटा नहीं है पिछले 2 महीने से. And this guy comes and ऐसे गुलाल फेंकता है पब्लिक में. And then some like that was the extent of his royalty. That was it. Like it looked like
गुलाल फेंकता है.
ये 10 दिन से नहाया नहीं है and somebody's put him into those clothes and made him come there. And just it was one of the most saddening things to say. Like this is royalty. It was such a like हम लोग ऐसा झटका पड़ा था like oh this is nowhere close to what you would assume royalty would be like class. There's no more class left in it.
Dude.
Hindustan.
By the way, like speaking of Indian royalties, right? There's a Scoop Whoop article which says 12 facts about Indian royal families that will even make the rich feel poor.
Yeah, can I just say one thing?
हाँ.
Saif Ali Khan is royalty.
That's
wow,
true.
yeah,
Saif Ali Khan is legit royalty
He's legit
because
royalty.
rich, bhari rich. They are next level rich.
Okay,
I'll talk to you after the podcast. Let's go. Huh.
so one of the facts in this is the last Nizam of Hyderabad, Mir Usman Ali Khan, used the Jacob diamond, which is the 5th largest diamond in the world, as a paperweight. The diamond is valued
क्या बात
at
कर
5 million pounds.
Fuck.
And he was using it as a paper. Can you fucking imagine?
क्या भारी हो? How does he lift it every time if it's 5 million pounds?
No, but also, can you imagine the
It's
diamonds
not
he
weigh.
used
It
to
doesn't
use
weigh
as
5 million
jewelry?
pounds, Adar. It
Oh,
costs
really,
5
Baba?
million
Tell
Oh,
me
pounds.
more.
really? Baba, did you have to clarify that?
Because
How
he
dumb
went
do you
with, how
think
does he
Adar is?
lift it?
That's
Bawa, it was a
wow.
pun on pounds.
Wow.
But it's Adar.
Remember the pun you made about magnetic and how it attracts money? How
Wait,
can it
that
attract money,
means-
Bawa? How?
That means like 100 euros doesn't weigh as much as 100 Europes? No, that's not how it works, Baba.
Hilarious. आज बाबा का off day. I think it's because
बहुत.
you saw.
No, it's the other reason that you guys know of. Come, let's go.
Okay. Yeah. So then you have. Then there's that famous story of King Jai Singh of Alwar, who ordered a fleet of Rolls Royce only to use them as cleaning cars.
You know the story behind this, right?
Oh, ये
Yeah.
तो गुस्से में किया था ना उसने.
Yes,
Yeah,
he did it
yeah.
in Gussa.
Yeah.
Carry on.
So Rolls Royce refused to give him cars, and then he's like, ठीक है मैं खुन्नस में आके इनको कचरे के गाड़ी जैसे यूज करूंगा.
गाड़ी
Then-
वाला आया घर से
हाँ.
कचरा निकाल.
निकाल.
ये कितने टाइम पहले था?
This was
What?
in, I'll tell you.
It's what, 50s or 60s? No, maybe slightly earlier.
No,
30s
so
maybe.
it was the British we were occupied by the British. It
30s.
doesn't say the time.
Oh,
but-
then 30s. Huh?
Yeah.
Like,
Have you guys
So-
been to the big ass palaces here in India?
Yeah.
Like
yeah, some
I
of
haven't-
them. Jaipur.
Mysore.
dude, मैं फलकनुमा पैलेस गया हैदराबाद में. Fucking
Perform करने गया?
gorgeous, man. हाँ?
Perform किया?
हाँ.
Stand up. अरे कोर्ट जेस्टर.
नहीं, मैं लेकिन बाहर गार्डन में था.
हाँ तो कोर्ट जेस्टर बाहर भी जाता है.
अंदर
मैं एक्चुअल कोर्ट में कुछ नहीं किया, बाहर गार्डन में परफॉर्म करा रहे मैं.
हंसाओ.
तो कैसा था? मीनिंग तो बस ऐसे.
अबे मतलब मैं 1930 जब एक्चुअल रॉयल से तभी नहीं मैं लॉकडाउन के जस्ट
एक बात बता, like
किसी का
Akbar
बर्थडे था,
had
so
his-
they had booked out फलकनुमा.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
भारी. Akbar के court में was there a jester? Or like because there was Tansen, there was the musician, but was there a jester?
There was
no
Is the
joke
jester
scene.
there in the Indian?
No, but
Indian
the
Indian monarchy.
Birbal was the guy who was telling jokes and stuff, no?
Yeah.
And solving. Like Birbal wasn't just he was also
Wazir.
the wit and all of that and all. But
Yeah, but that was the Wazir. He was the Wazir. It's just Birbal had.
no, he was one of the Navratnas.
Of course, he was one of the Navratnas, but he wasn't meant for entertainment. He
Of course
served
he
a
was. He
legit
would tell
purpose.
jokes. He would do this. He would do that.
That's because that's Birbal's personality. I'm talking about the monarchy as such in India. Did they include, like, everybody has their entourage? Did so
Surely.
the court gesture is associated with a
Surely.
very European Western way of monarchy. Did we also, because हमारे में
अरे होएगा,
music,
don't.
dance ये सब होता था. Did
होएगा
we have
होएगा
a comedian?
एक मिनट मैं पूछता हूँ अभी अकबर को फोन करके रुको एक मिनट.
We have this. Okay, this is from another article. This is on GQ. And the article is about 5 times Indian royal families did the most bizarre things with their wealth. Okay, so this is about the 400-year-old curse of Queen Ala Milama. Okay, back in 1612, a family by the name of Vadiyars attacked the kingdom of Mysore and dethroned the ailing Tirumala Raja. After taking their place in the palace, the Vadiyars asked for all royal jewelry to be taken away from the Queen Ale Malama. It was during this time that the queen ran towards the cliff overlooking the Kaveri River. Before jumping to her death, she said, Talakadu. Okay, I'm just going to read the English translation. May Talakadu become a barren land, Malangi turn into a whirlpool, and may Mysore kings never beget children. To protect
Oh,
themselves
shit.
from this curse, the Vadiyars have even erected an idol of the queen. However, they continue to face the consequences. Even today, the Vadiyar royal family is led by Yaduvir Krishnadatta Chamaraja Vadiyar, who is a distant relative of the former king who died childless.
Oh,
So, yeah, that happened.
wow.
Uh,
You think their curses have more power than normal people's curses? Like the royal family curse.
No, I don't think so. I think it was actually I don't know, man. This is a weird one. They should make a movie on this for sure. मजा
Yeah.
आएगा.
Sure, बना है already.
A random horror movie होगा.
There was also the eccentric Maharaja of Junagadh, Muhammad Mahabat Khan III, who owned over 800 dogs, each with its own room, a telephone, and an attendant.
कुत्ता क्या कर रहा है फोन से?
किससे बात कर रहा है? कुत्ते के लिए था
Oh.
टेलीफोन की अटेंडेंट के लिए?
Oh. Are the dogs allowed to call each other?
कुत्ते एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं फोन पे और अटेंडेंट को यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं.
वहां पे अटेंडेंट बोल रहा है फक मेरे घर पे एक फोन नहीं है अभी तक ये साले कुत्ते लोग.
Dude,
By the way,
800.
the Queen Elizabeth has actually invented
breed of dog.
it's called the Dorgi. It's a
What?
cross between a Dachshund and a
Yeah.
Corgi, and
Really?
those are her dogs. Yeah, so they are.
I love corgis.
called-
Corgis are damn cute. By the way, तेरे को पता है क्वीन के 2 बर्थडेज है. एक उसका सेलिब्रेट करते हुए हमेशा 21st April, which is not her real birthday apparently. But across the Commonwealth, her birthday is the second Sunday of every June or something.
Hmm.
So then she's felicitated by like parades and stuff across the Commonwealth. Yeah, वो celebrate 21 अप्रैल करती है, which is one day after my birthday. क्या बात कर रहे हैं? Queen और मैं एक ही दिन. Queen.
Oh no.
मेरे बाप के 2 बर्थडेज बट दैट इज बिकॉज मेरी दादी ने बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट घुमा दिया था एंड बोला था कि अक्टूबर एंड में बर्थडे है. So they started celebrating on 20th October until my mother found the birth certificate and it was 30th October. That is, my daddy still doesn't know her own birthday.
Yeah, my nanny didn't know us either. So जब भी बना रहे थे
Yeah.
इधर आके, because she came from Sindh, right? So she
Yeah.
also doesn't know her own birthday. And
July
apparently
में.
she just they were trying to figure out कि कौन से दिन पे birthday रखे. So she chose another of her sister's birthdays. Okay, 14th May. क्यों? क्योंकि 2 पार्टी नहीं देने पड़ेंगे.
पैसे ओपी.
Nice.
My grandfather, his parents had like sort of when they were writing the birth certificate up, they had made him 3 years younger, and the reason was so that he could work for 3 years more.
But he would also start work 3 years late, na?
No, so like
वो
they
तो
made
mid में
it.
कहीं शुरू किया
Yeah,
होगा
they
ना.
made it later. So like when you join the thing, that's so you get 3 extra years. This is.
Wow.
Oh shit. Acha, one thing I realized from that interview with Oprah is the amount of security that they have to constantly have.
Hmm.
So with the Queen, the hand in which she's holding her purse is a signal to the people around her. So she usually
Oh.
apparently holds it in her she when she switches hands, so she normally holds it in her left arm, but if she switches it to the right arm and she's talking to somebody, that's a signal to her team or her security to come and interrupt the conversation and take her away, that she doesn't want to be around that person. Like there are
और
these
अगर
are
कभी
subtle
पर्स
hints.
अगर अभी कभी पर्स भूल गई तो क्वीन सोच रहे कि इससे
बोल रहे, "Hey,
इम्पोर्टेंट
wallet
कॉन्वर्सेशन के
निकाला."
बीच में से उसको निकाल के लेके जा रहे हैं। अरे क्या बात करने देना, बट क्वीन देयर इज नो पर्स। हाँ तो ठीक है ना, बात कर रही हूँ
James
एडवर्ड
Bond.
या फिलिप या जॉर्ज
नहीं,
से।
आज क्लच लेने का मन कर रहा था यार. Okay, I found a beautiful article. Okay, it's on ranker.com, and it's called the weirdest royals throughout history. Okay, and I want to take you through two royals in particular. Okay, so the first one is a royal called Princess Alexandra of Bavaria. Okay, so
of
do you know
Bavaria.
this? Bavaria,
Yes.
sorry, Bavaria.
Bavaria sounds like
Bavaria.
some Marwadi tile company.
Bavaria.
Yeah,
Bavaria.
So, Princess Alexandra, what makes her weird is that she was convinced that she had swallowed a glass grand piano. And that is exactly the expression I was waiting for from Adar, because Adar has fully used a grand piano and he knows it's physically very difficult.
Yeah, what the hell?
So, as the 23-year-old princess of Bavaria, Alexandra became convinced that she had swallowed an entire glass grand piano as a child.
As a child, I mean,
Yeah. And that any sudden movement would shatter the instrument. She was said to walk sideways through doorways and corridors to avoid breaking. Although the princess delusion has become a part of her quirky reputation, scholars speculate she suffered from something Robert Burton calls the glass delusion in his psychological study, The Anatomy of Melancholy, in 1612. The glass delusion is thought to be a form of melancholy in which the sufferer believes that they are made of glass. Another notable victim is King Charles VI of France, who did not think he'd swallow any fragile instruments, but rather believed his body to be especially breakable.
These people don't throw any stones ever.
चलो भाई एक बॉटल खाओ।
क्या breakfast में? बिस्लरी.
बिस्लरी प्लास्टिक का है।
By the way, oh sorry.
ये जिन का बॉटल।
Sorry. The second guy I want to just talk about is possibly the cruelest royal in history. Okay, his name is Elagabalus. Okay, he was.
ये उसके नाम के वजह से वो क्रूअल हो गया। नाम क्या है? Gallibellis.
No, I think the cruelest would be Caligula and all, no?
Yeah.
No, so I'll tell you what.
Yeah, of course.
1 second. So he was the emperor of Rome. Elagabalus was a hedonist who delighted in watching people suffer. He took the throne in 218 AD. Okay, he was a lesser known Roman emperor whose behavior rivals that of the most vicious, cruel, and self-indulgent rulers of all time. Now, here's the thing. Okay, if you ever were called for a dinner party to this guy's house, you shouldn't go, because he used to tie dinner guests to water wheels to watch them drown slowly.
But this is after dinner or before dinner?
Who is this? Shakal? This sounds
मतलब
like
एटलीस्ट मर रहा है, मरने वाला है तो अच्छा खा के मरे।
Here's the other thing he used to do. Okay, this is something that I think rich people in films do all the time. Okay, he used to toss gold and silver from balconies to see commoners fighting and dying over the money.
Yeah, they shifted to Rajasthan. Gulal fek
No, I mean, I still don't think. I mean, I still think that, like,
Baba,
if you
1
look at
second.
it, like Edward the Eighth, George the Fourth.
No,
I mean,
they were cruel people, but this dude was twisted because he called dinner guests to his house, and then during the feast he let loose lions and leopards.
Dude, this is like that YouTube video, dude. Have you not seen that YouTube video?
The Dubai one.
Yeah.
Sheikh wala.
Dude, hey,
By the way, the royal family apparently did Keeping Up with the Kardashians in 1969. They tried to air, they actually tried to air a documentary which showed the royal family and how they live like normal lives. But it actually
be like
it had the all exact opposite effect. It ruined the mystique around
Elizabeth, Margaret.
So
Yeah.
yeah, but they originally started this. There's like a camera team just following them and like making a documentary about their everyday
Dude,
life.
how
It's
can you
just quite boring.
possibly humanize the royals, dude? How can you
No.
possibly make them like make people like us look at them and go, yeah, they're normal. Like
Yeah,
at
they're not,
best,
because Prince Charles has his shoelaces ironed.
wow,
एक आदमी है जो उसका shoelace
Wow.
इस्त्री करता है.
wow. Why does he leave the buttons unironed then?
Just but
Specifically.
plastic जल गया आपका.
But apparently, one of his things is he's fully like into sustainability and I don't know. That's one of the things I've heard about him. कि वो बहुत
Yes.
खाना वाना सब बनाने में like I don't know what is it about. Explain.
No, as in it's not about that. It's just
Like
that
organic
he's a-
farming.
Yeah.
stuff.
So
yeah, that's what you said.
He loves. I mean, and again, on of this, honestly, if you just watch The Crown, you'll get through so much of like royal dope and so much of, and a lot of it is they've tried to show both sides of the story, so it is fairly biased in its. It is not biased in its perspective. There's sort of both sides. जिधर Queen को भी बुरा दिखाया. Dude, that Thatcher and Queen ka scenes, bro, they're outstanding. So with Charles, I mean, one of the biggest things is that I think because he was such a recluse and because he was unhappy because of whatever he was put through and things like that. Also, the pressure of being, the heir to the throne. Right from a very early age, so he was obviously
and not
treated
getting
different
it at
and not
very
getting it.
old age.
But like he was therefore always, he was always looked upon like this, like the younger brothers or the younger siblings and all got away with a lot. Like Queen ka favorite child to wo Andrew tha na.
Andrew है हाँ.
हाँ,
the infamous.
या तो वो उसका एक मिनट एंड्रू है या जो तीसरा बेटा है शायद वो है बट लाइक मार्गरेट एन एंड ऑल वर नेवर रियली सॉरी एन एंड ऑल वर नॉट नेवर रियली faves in that sense, but with Charles he as a result was very like into nature and he was like sustainability even in his own thing. When he was building it, he made sure that he had a garden that could sort of was not affecting the environment and things
Bawa,
like that.
there was one podcast Siddhi was listening to. I forget which it is. I forget the name now, but it was about Diana. Okay, and it was the Mean Book podcast, Mean Book Club, and it was someone had written this biography of Diana. Okay, and about when she met Charles for the first time, he had taken her to a meadow, sat her down, and discussed philosophy. And she was like, I haven't met a more boring person in my life.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Can you imagine?
Then why?
Because I mean, like, and she was like, this is the kind of guy he was. Like, he was just like this, like he considered himself to be an intellectual. You know those guys who take you on like the guys who go on dates and then they just they go like, here's everything I know about everything.
Yeah, there was this one dude that I was sitting with I think Aparna or Trupti. We were sitting in a restaurant and there was this dude who was clearly on a first date. He looked Tinder date fan, and this guy was trying to convince this girl about polygamy. Like why polygamy is good. Clearly the girl is so uncomfortable. And halfway through he started quoting Sapiens. And now that I've read Sapiens, kahin bhi polygamy
that was not his point. No, he discusses it, but that's clearly not the point of trying to use it to try and convince a chick to be polygamous.
Oh, fun times.
I would love to be a fly on the wall on that conversation.
Oh, I was.
But okay, I found some more random things. Okay, apparently the royals aren't allowed to play Monopoly.
Oh yeah.
Because they already own everything.
Yeah, they play Monopoly with real stuff.
Yeah, they're like Park Street. Oh yeah, that's ours.
To Hyde
Regent
Park
Street
rakh
खरीद ले. हाँ, go to jail. चल, but why? चल जा. खेल रहे. Prince Charles का 5 number है, तू 5 है, जा जेल में.
But you know something? If you play Monopoly with the Royals, it's a come down for them, right? It's disappointing. Like, what do you mean I can only own these things? Like, there has to be more to this.
Where's India on the map? No, it's only in the UK. No, I want India. But दीदी हो गया वो थोड़ा 100 साल पहले किया थोड़ा वो it didn't go the way we planned actually. चला मजा आया 200-300 साल फिर खत्म हो गया.
Okay, you gotta hear this. Okay, this is such a brilliant such a weird thing. So this is from a website called historyextra.com. So you know it's legit.
Nice.
Okay. Uh, this is the 5 weird habits of royals through history. Okay. The first one is Henry VIII had people kiss his bed linen every morning to make sure it was not covered in poison. So
But why every morning? रात को करना चाहिए ना before he sleeps. सुबह उठने के बाद क्या फायदा? Like,
that's a great point.
That's when you change it also, no? So what's
नहीं और
coming in?
एक इंसान पूरे बेड को किस कर रहा है क्योंकि वो इतने बेड पे थोड़ी सोता है कि एक क्या नहीं कुछ नहीं है इस पे बेड बड़ा
नहीं
होगा ना,
also
वो
like
बेड होगा
और सुबह करके रात तक पॉइजन हो सकता है नेविल like सुबह अगर किस करके टेस्ट भी कर लिया रात तक कोई पॉइजन कर सकता था.
No,
So it
also
should be
dude,
just before
No,
you
no.
get
Once
into
it
bed.
was in his room, the thing was that once it was in the room, I don't think that was the thing. Anyway, but ठीक है, sorry,
But
carry
it
on.
was his room, not the thing.
Basically, once it's in his room, it's protected, right? It's only when it's coming in from the laundry.
Okay.
Ah.
So now the next, I'm going to skip one. I'm going to go to the next one, which was this. Many monarchs rarely bathed, with some believing that washing was dangerous. Okay, so
Because they were losing their precious royal skin.
no. So the thing was that this was in like AD 537. The invading Goths cut the aqueducts, making bathing much more problematic. So they had no idea how to repair the aqueducts. Consequently, declared that bathing should be curtailed, as it is a sin of hedonism and practiced by pagans. So they basically converted a plumbing problem into a religious one.
I've never seen aqueducts and paganism used in the same
Really, never.
same sentence.
Really, never. This was the first
Now-
even for me.
Okay, now I come to the extremely weird ones. Okay, some monarchs were cannibals when it came to medicine. Okay, so in the past, human body parts called mumia were often sold at apothecaries.
Mumia leke nach. It was there. It was there. It was right there.
Staring us in our move.
So they were sold to physicians by town executioners.
They were sold to physicians.
Yes, doctors believe that some essence of the life force remained in the body after death, especially in the case of executions or accidents where life was taken suddenly from an otherwise healthy young person. So the remainder of the deceased's natural lifespan could thus be ingested by the person consuming his body parts.
Wow. ये कभी था 180.
No, this was as early as 1616. So when
Fuck.
James I of England suffered from gout starting in 1616, his physician recommended an arthritic powder composed of scrapings of an unburied human skull.
Oh God, man.
I imagine the compounder there. हाँ सर मेरा ये प्रिस्क्रिप्शन है क्या खाना है हाँ ये 2 दवाई सुबह को ये रात को इसके साथ एक प्रकाश
खोपड़ी।
खाना है
प्रकाश का सर खाना है आपको.
सुबह को पानी के साथ एक चार्ल्स खाना दोपहर को लंच के बाद 2 फिलिप
What if they have to grate? What if they have to grate it fresh? वो सुबह उठ के बैठ के ऐसे मूली की तरह खोपड़ी को निकाल रहा.
Dude, this James the First, his physician had written in his diary saying, "The king hates eating human bodies. An ox head can be substituted in this case." No shit, man. So,
wow.
and the last one is the Spanish royal family shared their beds with the body parts of saints. Okay, the Spanish royal family, which held the mortal remains of saints in high regard, once took such superstitions to drastic lengths. For centuries, whenever a member of the royal family was gravely ill, doctors would remove saintly body parts and even entire corpses from churches and monasteries and place them in the bed with the invalid. Dude, you should
Why
just
do you have these? Like, why do you have these nuggets? Like, what are these facts?
These are amazing, dude. What a fucking fact. Like, I'm ill. Let's dig up that body. Zukam ho gaya. So, this was fucking crazy, dude. I also found another article on brightside.me, which is about the Norwegian royal family. Okay, they are the poorest royal family.
आपकी wealth क्या है? 25 सामन.
They're one of the poorest. And the king's son married a single mother. So that's so they're a very progressive family. Then the Princess Ingrid Alexandra is the future queen of Norway. She is on Instagram at the moment. So then we have here the family's main advantage. Okay, can you guess the family's main advantage?
What? Cheaper
Norwegian-
tickets to Iceland.
No.
Which families?
This is the Norwegian royal family, and it says this is a fact that says the family's main advantage is their dash.
वो लोग tourism.
You
वो
will
लोग
never
जाके
be able to
देखते
guess
हैं.
this.
Northern Lights देखते हैं वो लोग.
Northern Lights उनके घर पे.
No. Just tell me the name.
The royal family has Harald in it.
Hmm.
And
Ingrid Alexandra Princess.
चेतन भी है वहाँ पे.
Okay, so I'll tell you what it is because we'll never be able to guess. The family's main advantage is their sense of humor.
They're comedians. Hey guys, please come for my show.
Norwegian sense.
In Hyderabad.
sense of humor के बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं सुना.
Okay, so I'll tell you what it is. Okay, Prince Haakon likes to play jokes and cut through the degree of pathos at official events. For example, he made everyone laugh.
On.
1 second. He made everyone laugh when he disappeared at the anniversary of his parents and then appeared again, but without his beard, which he had never shaved before.
Pudding.
बहुत अजीब sense of humor है.
Comedy nights with Harald.
And Prince Sverre, he's
ये सब made up नाम है. ये लोग एक तो हैकी जोक्स मार रहा है.
नॉर्वे
और
में
दूसरा
एक
गाली
ही
देता
है.
है.
Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. यही है एक किंग.
Haaland, dude, Haaland.
Haaland.
So
हाँ.
Prince Sverre, okay,
Haaland.
he's a boy at the moment. The same day he got into his father's joking mood and started dabbing on the balcony. He's at
क्या
the
है
royal
ये?
balcony.
और सब लोग
1 second. Are you sure it's this and not this?
No, there's a photo of him.
Okay.
So their main asset is their sense of humor. So they're very likable and they're fond of sports.
पैसे कितने लेकिन
Come है.
पैसे कम.
Oh fuck.
उन लोग इतने फनी थे उनको एक रॉयल टाइप का शिट्स क्रीक बनाना चाहिए.
Oh.
Well, yeah, it's a bed and breakfast that they're running, no?
Listen, Haaland, if you take that idea, I need to get royalty.
The-
Get it? Royalty.
The funny thing about most royals now is what it is, except for like any of the monarchies that exist, whether it's like Brunei and Thailand and like any of these
Saudi
other,
Arabia,
all of these monarchies that
Rajasthan
sort of,
Royals.
no Qatar ये सब है bro. Netherlands में भी है ये, but it's what they're doing now, like that almost they've basically all become it's not even landlords, they're just like they pick up the phone and they're like the key is in the post box, you can pick it up. And like
Yeah,
it's
Airbnb चलाते हैं. हाँ, ये लोग Airbnb चला रहे हैं अभी. और खुद चला रहे हैं. Your host is Princess so and so.
तेरे ऑप्शन होता है होस्ट सुपर होस्ट रॉयल रॉयल क्लिक करूंगा.
There is also, by the way, the longest serving dynasty in the world.
The Han dynasty.
No, it's the Imperial House of Japan, otherwise known as the Yamato dynasty, whose reign started in 660 BC.
Shit, कितना flooding हो गया होगा.
And it went on for a while.
I'm joining the Norwegian humor.
नहीं ठाकुर उसके लिए दाढ़ी उगाना पड़ता है. वो तेरे प्रॉब्लम हो.
नहीं, मैं वो दूसरा साइड हूँ जो दाढ़ी शेव करके आया ना. मैं वो वाला हूँ. दाढ़ी वाला कोई और. दाढ़ी वाला कौतुक.
No, but how poor is the sense of humor of the rest of Norway? That this was the biggest joke.
but it's
बहुत
also
मस्करा है.
but it's also Norway. So
Yeah.
like how much I mean how funny can you be in this cold?
Oh, he shaved his beard.
At this point, anything will do. Anything.
Actually, उनको
It's so
उनके
cold.
लिए उनके लिए फनी है कि उसने शेव किया भी उसको ज्यादा ठंडी लगी
ठंड लगी।
इसकी कान लगने वाली That is what-
Hypothermia is hilarious.
It's hypothermia.
hypothermia.
Norway humor family, here I come.
उधर जाके हम लोग स्टैंड अप शो करेगा उन लोग के लिए तो वो लोग हंसेगा ही नहीं, बोले हम लोग इससे ज्यादा फनी है.
I think वीरदास ने किया था ट्रॉम्सो में किया था 10 लोग के लिए शो. They just walked in without knowing who it is. So that it was a pretty funny story that Veer told me.
सीधा उधर
Veerdas's
जाके-
closing joke should have been 1 second.
Okay, so I found this really funny thing about Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So this was during a time like 1324 in Delhi when he ascended the throne. He decided to introduce copper and bronze coins and give the copper the same value as silver. तो वहाँ पे silver और gold use हो रहा था, तो he introduced that, which was a good step in like how we went to paper money and stuff like that. But the problem was bronze and copper was so easy to manipulate, and उस time उन लोग के the seals were so simple to forge. People started making their own money, and the whole treasury got screwed because of that.
Wait, are you saying there could have been a TV show called Scam 1452?
Yeah.
सब अमीर है इसमें. वो तुगलक आके बोला मैं तुम सबको पैसे दूंगा. नहीं नहीं मेरे पास पड़े. देखो
चलो,
देखो.
आपको चाहिए क्या?
मतलब
हम
मैं
कॉपर वायर
king हूँ.
उसका बना रहे हैं.
वो क्या तू किंग घर पे हो गए ले.
मनी हाइस्ट बहुत पहले किया था हम लोग ने.
Okay, I found another piece of going off from where Radha started. It's some of the weirdest laws that kings have declared. Some of the royalty
funny.
have. Okay, so one of them is that it's just the fact is when everything was punishable by death. Draco of Thessaly is considered the author of the first laws of Athens around 621 BC. His draconian code was very simple, although we do not know if it was effective. It was based on a single sentence: the death penalty. Had you killed someone? Death. Had you stolen an animal? Death. Did you forget your taxes? Death.
इसी है ना. ये
Sir,
अदालत दफा 302 मुजरिम को डेथ डेथ. सर मैंने
और
उसका
भी
बटवा
दफा
चुराया
है.
सिर्फ. डेथ.
Sir,
Can you fucking imagine the lawyers, the stakes that they had to go through? Like it was, you saved your client or death straight.
yeah.
No pressure.
No pressure. So this was eventually annulled.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, no
Oh.
shit.
Obvio.
because they were running out of people in the country. Because everyone,
It's like that. वो था ना कौन सा साशा बैरन करोन का मूवी है ना डिक्टेटर. उसमें कुछ भी होता था. मार देता है सबको.
it's like the nuclear scientists are not left because you killed them all.
Why did? उसमें ना वो 350 वर्ड को चेंज करके अलादीन बना देता.
Yeah.
Then there was another thing which was you will not pick up other people's cereals. Okay, so the law of the 12 tables is the first known legal code drafted in Rome around 450 BC. One of the laws stipulated that anyone who cut or picked up another's grains was destined to be sacrificed to the goddess Ceres.
Oh shit.
Then there was another one which was beware what you sing. Another Roman rule in the law of the 12 tables condemned to death anyone who sang joking
song.
or mocking songs about another person. So this was the
Of another person.
no,
बस
like
कोई भी.
towards so you couldn't have stand-up comedians at this time क्योंकि defamation laws were very strict. It was straight death.
Shit.
Dead formation.
Defamation.
चलो. पहुंच रहे धीरे-धीरे.
So yeah, royals.
उतना ही है क्या तेरे पास? By the way, I just found one thing.
दारू खत्म facts खत्म.
Apparently, garlic isn't allowed in the royals' food.
Oh, they are Jain.
No garlic.
Jain.
No. बास आता है इसलिए.
Oh,
Yeah. There's a lot of these things, dude.
मेरे को
where
बता,
they have
तू रॉयल फैमिली से बात कर रहा है, क्वीन से बात करते हो, अगर तेरे को लहसुन
वड़ा पाव की
लहसुन का
चटनी
स्मेल
वड़ा पाव की चटनी के पास आया तो
फिर अपने मुंह से आया चलेगा, उन लोग पहन लेंगे कुछ.
अरे पर अगर वो ऑमलेट खा के आई
हाँ,
हाँ
तो आई मीन लाइक
अबे जब मतलब पाते वाते तो होंगे ना ये लोग भी. At some point they will fart and
Yeah,
like
yeah.
somebody's going to notice and
The royal
like
tooth.
you know like वो भी होता है. Like once Michelle Obama hugged the Queen, so it was
yeah, you're
like
not allowed to touch
considered
them, by the way.
very
That's one of the
Yeah,
things.
yeah.
not allowed.
You're not allowed to touch them. No monopoly, no garlic. In fact, क्या लिखा है? Yeah, I think Princess Diana was one of the first queens to have a college degree in the royal family. Royal family में
Yeah,
किसी के पास college
Sorry,
degree नहीं.
unpad.
No.
And
I'll tell you,
look.
there is there's a reason for that. It's because they're mostly schooled within the palace, and they're also schooled more about just like the history, the like.
Other
Family
people are
business.
being
different
schooled about
subjects.
them.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
if they had to write fill in the blanks, who was Queen Elizabeth's mother? My mom. Oh, I know Victoria.
No,
अरे
so,
मम्मी.
so the thing is,
दादी
they're-
की बात कर रहे हो तुम लोग.
so they were schooled in like the politics, the like just like diplomacy, things like that. Like they had other subjects, which is why when someone decided to do science or become a pilot or whatever, like all royal families have to serve in some form of the
Military.
armed forces, right? Like things like that. But like I have an on that note fact.
हाँ पता
So there is so to the various families of various what's it called of various royal families, right? There is a very famous family that is constantly attached in terms
The
of they've
Rothschild.
been-
हाँ बोल ना
Yeah.
एक दो बार और.
Ah,
Russian.
Rothschild.
So the Rothschilds are apparently like they've got like their they've got Austria, England, Naples, France, and these were all like even if you see the heritage of what the Windsor House is, it actually starts off with the House of Saxe-Coburg, right? Which is like a Bavarian German sort of thing. So it sort of comes down from there. So एक और conspiracy theory चल रहा है कि सबका
Yeah.
मालिक
Venus
एक ही है,
कि Queen Rothschild है.
सबका मालिक एक है.
Oh.
Oh.
जो मैं तेरा डिबंक करता हूँ Rothschild पे एक वीडियो भेजता हूँ तेरे पूरा डिबंक कर दिया.
क्या कुछ भी डिबंक नहीं
कि
हुआ है.
रॉथशाइल्ड है ही नहीं कि वो डिबंक हो गया.
Rothschild है, लेकिन ये जो बनाया ना, one of the things that is in Rothschild conspiracy is that their wealth is estimated to be 500 trillion.
Hmm.
You must have heard that term, right? पूरे collective world का wealth 500 trillion नहीं है. तो Rothschild क्या कर रहा है?
नहीं तो
500 trillion
वही
की
तो ना
No.
तो
There is
अपन ने
that-
एक बार
there is
बात
that-
किया था कि
there is that thing, no,
Rothschild
the
is in
world-
debt to themselves.
Yeah. So the world's debt totally is
World's
certain amount.
it's 30
Yeah.
trillion. So उसमें एक meme है ना, the world's entire debt is 30 trillion. Who are we in debt to?
To the Rothschilds.
रॉथशाइल्ड.
किसको देना है? ये पैसे जो अपने
मर्क्यूरी.
उधर से आ रहे वसूल करने के लिए. अरे विनोद भाई, हाँ मरकुरी भाई, क्या हुआ? चल कभी दे रहा है, तेरे को हफ्ता देना है. हफ्ता इन कॉस्मिक टर्म्स तो सोचना कितना है, 4.5 बिलियन ईयर्स.
आपका हफ्ता के मेरा हफ्ता. आपका हफ्ता काफी लंबा है. What is it? A day on Venus is longer than a year. A day on Venus is longer
Only
than
on taste do we go from royal families as a
Royal family
topic
to
to people from
astronomical
Mercury
weeks.
and Venus coming
Collecting
to Earth to
hafta.
take hafta.
But you didn't even say people of you said Mercury भाई and Venus भाई. तो दोनों planet
planet चल गया है.
प्लैनेट चलेगा कि उड़ेगा ना? प्लैनेट चल रहा है.
That is the justification.
by the way I don't know if you noticed, but Bawa's not commenting on this Rothschild jokes. Huh?
या बाबा बहुत ये हो गया, सीरियस हो गया.
Bawa very safe.
He's not
मुझे कभी
taking
कभी
this.
लगता है बाबा ही रॉथस्चाइल्ड है.
अरे यार,
But उसके पास
काश.
वो पैसा नहीं है, उसके पास सिर्फ कंस्पिरेसी को अलाइव
काश.
रखने की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है बाबा को.
अगर बाबा
काश.
रॉथस्चाइल्ड होता तो वो एल्यूमिनियम के
गरीब
बारे में
रॉथस्चाइल्ड.
इतना स्ट्रेस लेता ही नहीं.
हाँ, ये
स्पेशल में
गरीब
लिख रहा
रॉथस्चाइल्ड है.
है. Yeah.
I'm sure that there is a garib person in the Rothschild family also. एक side of the family that is just garib और गुस्से में वो लोग.
But I would feel very like it would be so satisfying कि अपन ये पॉडकास्ट करके अगर बाबा रॉथस्चाइल्ड होता तो अपन ये पॉडकास्ट करके एक रॉथस्चाइल्ड को एडिट करने को दे रहे
हाँ, ये ले.
ले तू ये कर.
All right, on that note, that's it from this episode of the Internet Set. So we were discussing royal families across ages, and if you are a royal family member, Harry, Meghan, if you all are watching this,
No, why?
Come-
please
I'm
like,
not saying
share,
this.
subscribe, and
I'm not
Elizabeth
saying this
Bella
again.
Icon.
आप
But guys,
comments
there
में
are a
छोड़ो.
lot of people who are members of royal families that like just, you know, like descendants somehow or the other that we know them.
yeah, so like that, there are a lot of people who are descendants of Genghis Khan's army. मतलब तो
Yeah.
वो तो
1 in
कुछ भी हो
10.
सकता है.
1 in 10 people have his DNA. Or 1 in 5. 1 in 5 people has Genghis Khan's DNA.
1 in 10 has Alexander. 1 in 15 has royal family,
Yeah.
and 1 in 1000 has Rothschild.
Ah.
Ah.
Rothschild अपने को सुपर चैट करेगा तो
एक बार
Thanks
एक
for
बार
talking
super
about
chat.
us.
Guys,
Thanks for
stop
talking
talking
about
about
us.
us.
एक सुपर चैट ब्रो, अपन का करियर खत्म, कुछ इसके बाद रिटायर्ड स्ट्रेट.
ये सब मत बोल because
Budding comedians, Arthur Warren Coffin Neville
कोई
retired
Roths-
at a young age of 33 because
Young
of
age.
one super chat from the Rothschild.
एक रॉथस्चाइल्ड का एक कोई अभी यूजर अकाउंट बनाएगा और भेजेगा ऐसे पैसे.
नहीं बट बाबा
तो amount भी उतना चाहिए.
वो 5 रुपए भेजेगा dude.
30 रुपए से नहीं होगा Rothschild.
हाँ.
You know something? I just want this to happen just so that I see Varun's reaction when he sees the amount. You know, when he goes 1 0 0 0 0 0.
मैं वो डॉट बोली, डॉट देखूंगा ही नहीं. 100 million 1000 crore
And then
lakhs.
suddenly वरुण का पासवर्ड चेंज हो जाएगा.
वरुण का फोन नंबर बंद हो जाएगा.
और वरुण मौत के घाट उतार दिया जाएगा. और फिर मेरे
वरुण
जगह
भाग
पे
गया.
कोई एक शेप शिफ्टिंग Rothschild. Okay guys, this is just gonna go into something else. सही है.